Shielded Metal Arc Welding, SMAW, in the flat welding position using ESAB E 7018 electrodes. 1. Preparation. Clean the base metal to remove any dirt, rust or contaminants. Set up your welding machine with the appropriate settings for E7018 electrodes, AC or DC+. Secure your workpiece in the flat position. 2. Electrode angle and technique. Maintain a 15 to 30 degrees leading angle when welding vertically upward. Use a slight weaving technique for vertical up welding. In the flat and horizontal positions, keep a tight arc length. 3. Welding procedure. Strike the arc by tapping the electrode against the workpiece. Move the electrode along the joint, maintaining the desired angle and weaving motion. Control the welding pool to ensure good fusion. Watch for minimal spatter and easy slag removal. 4. Safety tips. Always wear appropriate protective gear, including welding helmet, gloves and clothing. Ensure proper ventilation in your workspace. Be aware of the electrode's low temperature impact strength. Remember, practice and experience will improve your welding skills.